Alright, so those of you that do get this shift knob, check how badass this thing is. It's pretty cool. Anyways, so first things first is that you get this adapter piece. And make sure that the bottom piece goes in here. You twist it. Twist it all the way down. All the way down. All the way down. And the most important thing is that this connects at the very bottom down here. And then when it goes in, then you twist it, and then you have to readjust it. So okay, so I got it tightened down here a little bit. Okay, so I just got hand tightened. And then you put it down here. And then just turn around. And it's going to take some adjustment, like a couple adjustments, because... Hold on. So let me... I actually like the way this thing feels. So, okay, so I'm coming. So notice that I'm off. So I'm gonna take this back out, and it's gonna take us some time. It's gonna take a couple adjustments. So what I saw in the YouTube video is oh crap! Oh, never mind. And the whole thing just came back to, oh, it's because I hand tightened it. So I'm going to go ahead and put it like this. Once it's on, you know what I'm saying? So I am, nope, not there yet. So, but you guys get what I'm saying. So I'll show you guys the finished product when I'm done. Alright. So I got it installed. This thing is badass. Go check them out. They do have 20% off on their website until the end of December. So take advantage of it. You don't have to get the same one as me, but the reason why I got it blue because, you know, my car is blue. And so, but yeah, badass. It looks good with these blue shift knob. You know, the knobs there. So, but anyways, I'm going to work on this now. So stay tuned for this video.